Hi, my name's Kennedy, and today I'm going to be showing you around the Ding Darling Wildlife Refugee on Sanibel Island. I picked the Ding Darling Refugee Center because I love Sanibel and Captiva. As many times as I have visited there, I will look at them completely different from now on. Learning about all the amazing plants and animals that inhabit this area gave me a new appreciation of the islands. Ding Darling provided tons of information on native species to the islands. They had a beautiful indoor center where they featured models and real preserves of plants and animals and provided information on their importance to the local ecosystem. Outside, the trails were labeled with all sorts of plant and animal identifiers. Here is where I ran into my chosen primary producer, the white mangrove. I chose to research the white mangrove because they are so abundant here in Southwest Florida, yet I still know little about them. The watery roots of the white mangroves are a safe haven for many species. They provide nursery areas for shrimp, crustaceans, mollusks, and many species of fish. They provide a rich food source and offer refuge from predators. Because of all these attributes, mangroves are not only considered primary producers, but also a biotic community. During my walk through the sanctuary, I encountered a huge alligator. I chose this as my consumer because this was the first time I had ever seen an alligator in the wild. American alligators are considered a keystone species in Florida marine ecosystems. One thing alligators do that I never knew about is burrow. They dig these holes to keep themselves warm, and once they are left behind, they are used as breeding and drinking areas for other species. They are also extremely important in keeping the food chain in check and controlling the population. After visiting Ding Darling, I will always view our native wildlife differently. I learned so much about different ecosystems and how they interact with each other, as well as native animals and plants. Southwest Florida has some truly beautiful plants and animals.